kindly rise as we welcome him. Receiving our chief guest today is the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills District, Shri CBC Sadhu, and the Superintendent of Police, Dr. M.G. Rakhavendra Kumar, along with the Chief Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya, Shri D.P. Walang, and Shri L.R. Bishnoi, the Director General of Police.
Kindly remain standing for the unfurling of the national flag to be followed by the national anthem.
Jylla Meghalaya ka arpundriutrik ukala lingkon araja arplai kala Rakhe ka Republic Day jokari ha ka Jylla ka blapelong hamadan polo ha ka dikasi lawat badiadon bentalang daulat ka Jylla obidi Mishra ha ka bola penhe de kalama jokari India bar priang ru ek saliut ha ka dikasi laidon langru Chief Secretary ka Jylla ba DP Walang ki officer sarkar ki rang ba pulit bar ki he sipai ban pensyongkun shushu ega negasi ladon kejing pen ki tablu na kitrat sarkar paper bar kumjuru ki jisha terai na kanika Jylla la samru ki kusna Meghalaya Day Award bar ki be de
Indian Reserve Battalion from Arunachal Pradesh, led by Sub-Inspector Mojan Moyong. Followed by the contingent of the Boys NCC, led by Senior Under Officer Shri Subhas Kumar. And the JNV Mauplang School is being led by Mr. Walambok Nongkar. The border wing of the Home Guard is being led by Havaldar Prafula Pasumatri. Is presented by the Meghalaya State Skill Development Society. The growing unemployment in the state and the increasing number of youths desirous of entering the workforce each year is a big concern, not only to the state but the nation as a whole. The tableau represents the skill development program under Skill Meghalaya.
My dear citizens, by way of good news on this occasion, it is heartening that for the first time this year, India has assumed the G20 presidency. G20 is the leading forum of 20 countries for deliberation and coordination of core economic and policy issues. It is a proud moment for every Indian that our country is now recognized as a global leader. India's theme for the G20 presidency was Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, that is one earth, one family, one future. This in itself is a reflection of the rich cultural value system of our society. This year, as part of G20 presidency, India will host over 200 meetings in over 50 cities across 32 different work streams, which will give a good glimpse of the rich India's cultural heritage and diversity to the two G20 delegates and guests. Remember, they for sure will become our admirers and ambassadors. As part of G20 programs, Shillong will be hosting the Space 20 program on 17th and 18th of April 2023. This program would be in continuation of Space Economy Leaders Meeting held by the National Space Agency of G20 countries in 2020. It was initiated with the aim of eventually making space economy as a formal agenda item of G20 summits.